What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ConnorG, and today is our ride. Will you shut
Can you
the
get
fuck
out?
up?
Get out of my video! You're behind me in my video! Shut up! You're in my video!
I'm getting pissed. That's right, we're actually hosting our first ever ride out. We're gonna go give away an ETM RTR Lite, me and my boy Red Shogo. So, oh my god. Let's hit Baltimore.
Alright guys, we are about to pull up to the meet spot! Woo! But first off, Red and I got something to do. We gotta calm the nerves. This is a lot going on. We're seeing bikes going by everywhere, guys.
Hello, bro. Hello.
Hella bikes. Cheers, buddy. Let's do this shit!
What's good, dude?
Let's ride out in Philly. Why'd it have to be Baltimore?
Dude, because if we threw it in Philly, nobody would go home with their bikes. What's good, ladies? Bro.
ConnorG.
The old filmer, dude. Remember that guy? Alright, we're gonna unload all this shit, and dude, it's gonna be sick. Oh.
Waiting for the whole group to come on. We're gonna toss it.
Dude, pretty decent size. We're here, me and Offline Red. We're gonna be giving away a bike very, very soon.
Very soon.
It's gonna be a total toss-up, literally, but it should be sick. We got a decent pack outside right now. Flip the camera around. We gotta shout out our ride leader.
You know. I just watched your video the other day where you like the cops pull you over or some shit. You're like, no.
We're about to do a giveaway. All right, Red's gonna explain the giveaway.
All right, so how we're doing this is we got one key with a green paint on it. We're gonna put it in this bag. I'm gonna toss up all the jet tags. First person to grab this key and bring it to us, give us your information, and we'll give you guys the RTR. We'll ship it to your house. So if you guys drove from far, don't worry about it.
RTR Lite, just to clarify. This is the key you want.
Are you guys ready? Hey, go crazy! Come on now. Where's the winner at? Where's the winner?
Oh shit! Oh, bike went down! Oh, he got it!
No way! Tell everybody your name. Oh, dead. Let's go!
Yo, congrats, bro! RTR Lite, let's go! All right, are you hype? Yeah. Can you maybe cry for the camera?
Everybody stay behind me and don't run through red light.
This is about to be so lit, guys. What up? What's up? How we doing, bro? Thanks for coming out. Oh, hell yeah, I appreciate it. What up, bro? How we doing? You should be on the RTR. We're outside. Let's go. Oh, we are so lit, dude. This is sick. All these people are here because of Red and I, which is hella cool. And Jack, big shout out Jack, ride leader. One way, Connor. Come on, come on. Oh, it's so sick. Right up. The 110 out here. This is the better version of that bike in electric. All the killers out. Thanks for coming. Wow, Garrett, oh my God. We got Low Man. No drop for Low Man. My front wheel keeps stopping. Dude, my front wheel keeps stopping and it's brutal. Totally affecting the wheels. I thought we fixed it yesterday. What up, bro? Bro, it's crazy. Look at how deep, bro. So deep, all the way down the block. Whee! This kid's going crazy. All right, guys, this is Wheel Deal. This is where all the dirt bikes come, typically on Sundays, every Sunday in the city, to go ride back and forth there. It's nuts. This scooter has freaking rockets on the back. Ryan doesn't care if his front wheel stops. He just goes on as normal. Business as usual.
Do you think about the days of the
kick you? We're not riders, we're content creators. I really want to fuck with your bike, but it's my bike at the end of the day, so it's like... I can't wait for Red to run out of battery because he has no way of being able to tell what percent he's at.
Finally, huh? What are you doing?
Woo!
Good, the bar hits your chest. That's it. Impales you.
Dude, that was tough. I wasn't really making a lot of decisions there. Dude, I hit a divot and just went down. I did. I can't believe I missed my own crash. That's crazy. I just hit a divot, dropped back, and then too much brake, went forward. Wow. Happens.
Oh, these people do that too.
It's not a ride out if Connor doesn't crash. Alex, who is my doctor girlfriend, I hope you're not mad at me. I think it might just be the palm. No, not really. You still got the stick? I don't have any more right now. I appreciate you though. But I think we're fine.
When they walked in the street, man, I was like, man, I can't.
Dude. Bend that bitch back. Alright, let's see. Hell yeah. What's your name, by the way, bro?
Mahmood.
Mahmood, nice to meet you, bro. Connor. Guys, me falling was Red's fault because when we started yesterday, you said ride safe. So I rode safe. And today you didn't.
Imagine you're on Rideout leaving here.
I know, this is crazy. Can we still wheelie after our sad little fall? Sure, let's just try not to fall again. Guys, let us know where Red and I should host our next ride out. Baltimore was first. Should we do LA next? I mean, there's a lot of ride outs that get hosted in LA. What about Seattle? Go host it with our boy Logan Taylor. That would be sick, wouldn't it? RTR gang. Another RTR outside. Let's go. What's up? RTR gang.
Motor. It's still going, man.
Oh, let's go, bro. We're just out riding our e-bicycles. Oh, see, I'm not wheeling here. I quit. I'm not wheeling on this right now. Get a real bike. Oh, Red's gonna kill this battery for sure. For sure. My favorite is like all the bystanders, pedestrians looking on in the group. They're like, what the hell is going on? Yep, me and Red Show caused this. Sorry, guys. Oh, he's got a handbrake on that though. Scary. Oh my god, finally a nice fucking street. And my front wheels stopped again. You know, something I haven't done at all today is circle wheelies. I need to get some of them going. Excuse all of us. Thank you, BPD. Appreciate y'all. Whoa, what up, bro? Dude, you made it. Classic Miles time.
You mind if I get a clip of you doing some circles, man?
Yeah, of course. No, Red, this is where we say, okay, you have to tell us how awesome our ride is and how great we are. And all right, ready? So how awesome the ride is, that's what you're saying, right?
Man, that ride was sick as hell. Best ride I ever been on in Baltimore.
Maybe we come down to Georgia next. You came from Atlanta, right? Dude, the touring is killer. 73% is crazy after that whole ride. Ride leader Jack Blatch. We haven't even seen him ride much today. All right, so back to the meetup spot. I think we might do a night ride and take it from there. But all in all, super fun today. Appreciate all y'all coming out. These Suron kids, man. Ooh, back to the van. We made it in one piece.
Yeah, I got some sick ass miles.
Red is definitely like has no battery left. I can't believe it hasn't died yet still.
Damn!
It's good, dude. How we doing?
Doing Good. Nice little ride out today.
Yeah, it was fun.
You're Connor, right?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you, Connor. Connor.
We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club.
Amateur.
Mama, I got what you need if you need to
Final
fill
cheers
the bars.
of
I'm
the
in
trip.
the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the getting rough. You can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the getting